This is Charles McMahon for Expert Village. Now, as the next step in this job, we're going to apply the clamps to clamp this thing together until the epoxy hardens. Okay, so we've already set the clamps to where we want them, and so we're going to set them up, tighten them down. Now, this isn't a perfect setup here because the clamps are not vertical here, but I think it will do the job keeping this thing together. Okay, and we have to leave them this way until this hardens.